Hi, my name is Vanessa. I'm currently an operations specialist for a cybersecurity company, and previously I was an office manager for a property developer. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about why I decided to study and my experience with IT online learning. So why I decided to study. Naturally, a very organized person, I really enjoy supporting people and teams to reach a specific goal. And also, I really like seeing things through from start to finish. So I felt like my natural abilities were very much suited to project management. So I felt like it was the right step. In terms of what I enjoyed most about studying with IT online learning, I would say that definitely the aspects of the course being self-paced, but still you get so much support. Right at the start, they hook you up with a tutor who you can go to for any questions. They help you practice for your exams. They help you with notes. So yeah, it's really good that even though you're able to schedule your learning around your lifestyle, you still get a lot of, immediate support from the team. I also really enjoyed the fact that your bundle comes with different methodologies, so you get a really good and clear understanding of different ways of managing projects, and that was also really helpful for me to see what kind of industries and organizations I would gel with more depending on the style of managing projects. And I also really enjoyed the online hub where the tutors, they answer questions, they post exercises on there, and even the students can interact on that portal. So I thought that was a really nice feature that enhanced my learning as well. In terms of how IT online learning helped me personally and professionally, I would say personally, I have learned to be more disciplined. Just for the pure fact that, you're pursuing these certifications in your own time outside of work. So you do have to be disciplined. You're spending your own money, so you just have to get it done. And then professionally, I would say, I gained a really clear and strong understanding of how to manage a project. And because I also did change management, I feel like it was, not only a project that will, change the organization, but also I learned how projects can be managed from the people side. So I feel like I got a really, holistic view of project management. And would I recommend IT online learning? 100% I would recommend. I feel like the support has been really, really strong from start to finish. With my tutor Ryan, he was super helpful. And then after I finished all my certifications, I was hooked up with Shaylee, who then helped me with my CV and my LinkedIn, which then resulted in me being headhunted for the company that I'm currently working for. So 100% would recommend, and I've had a really positive experience. So anyone who's thinking about it, I would definitely tell them not to hesitate and go for it. Thank you.